guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos, or the Bugs collection. And this time, guys, it's none other than the Grillotopo Tropical, or the Tropical Mole Cricket. And guys, if you like this collection, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Bichos, or Bugs. And here we can see the Grillotopo Tropical, or the Tropical Mole Cricket. You can see him there. And then here it says learn everything about mole crickets. So let's open this up. Alright, so here it talks a bit about the tropical mole cricket. It gives a little description, a little bit about their habitat, and then it gives some observations. And here, guys, we have the slide with the cricket in it. It points out his legs, all of his different parts, and that sort of thing. And then here on the side, it gives the scientific classification for these guys. And here it talks about mole crickets in general. They look really cool. They're kind of crazy looking. Here it gives you an up-close drawing of one of these guys. He looks pretty crazy. And then here it shows like their face. And here it tells you all of the different parts around the world where these guys live. You guys tell me, which one do you guys think looks the coolest? I think this one looks kind of crazy because it's all spiky everywhere. But you guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. And guys, here it gives the main habitats for these guys. Right, let's open this up. And of course, with something named mole cricket, you know they live under the earth. So here it talks about how they live in the dirt. And here it shows that they eat like different types of worms and things. Here it says that their main predators are birds and insectivorous mammals. But as you can see here, praying mantises also go after them. Storks too. And guys, we unboxed a praying mantis in this collection. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure to check the playlist in the end of this video. We've unboxed many cool insects there, so make sure to check that out. And they're kind of pissed because they like to eat crops and that sort of thing. So that's not good. And here at the end we have the beachograms, or the like puzzles and quizzes for this book. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new tropical mole cricket. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have him, our tropical mole cricket. Let me just flip him to his side. Come on. There, he's in better focus. There you can see his legs and his antenna. Sorry guys, it's getting a bit difficult to get him in better focus. There is his other side. And there is his face. Let me see if I can't get it a bit better. Yep, there you go. There's his face. And well guys, I think he looks pretty cool. You guys tell me, what do you guys think down in the comments below? And well guys, that's the end of that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to go on over and follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I will have those linked, of course, down in the description below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, and live streams as well, which I'm a part of. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.